So shaking 18, yo, let me just tell y'all, prefer to be safe than sorry, man. So was feeling some slippage, some chattering, whatnot from my flywheel. I had just gotten the clutch, so we got that. But this is the old friction plate. Just wanted to show y'all. This is the side that was down like this. So this is the side that was up. You can see respectfully, it's smooth, team. Like it's a wrap. It was only gonna hold up for so long. And let's get y'all this other one. That's the hardware for the new one. And here go the new one, squad. So just to make sure we're good, we're gonna line it up. Make sure the holes and everything line up so we're good. And then from there, it's time to reinstall. That look good. Alright, let's get it. So, you already know, team. Let's line the hose up. Let's get it started. And we lit. We in there. We hose line up perfectly. We in there, squad. New friction plate. Once I get it on, I'm gonna probably end up hitting it with a little bit more of the brake cleaner and doing that. But we in here, team. Let's get it. And here's the part number if you needed that for the new friction plate. So let's go. Let's go. You already see it's much needed. Like I sanded it down where you can see it was decent, but from where the old clutch burnt on it, that shit's a wrap, team. But let's go. New joint. Let's get it locked in. We got the hardware. So let's go.